collider at the center of their detectors at the record energy, unprecedented energy of 13.6 trillion electron volt. This is going to happen in 8 seconds from now.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Being unstable.
There we are.
And there we are. Run 3 has officially started.
We're in stable
Fantastic. All the experiments are now recording their first collisions, and we have the Director General coming up to the floor to make a statement on behalf of our beautiful laboratory. We are starting the countdown again. What's happening?
We're in stable beams.
We are in stable beams?
We are in stable beams.
Are
We've
they
switched
colliding?
to stable beams. We're colliding.
We are colliding?
The experiments are starting to take
The experiments started to take the
Run
data,
3.
but what happened to the Director General? She was supposed to come to make a declaration. Okay, so this is the arrival of the data from the collisions at the CERN data center, where they've installed an artistic installation. And these colors tell us that the data are actually flowing. This is
From
just
each of the experiments,
art.
yes, coming
yes,
in. Yeah.
And we will soon see the real data arriving to
So
the
this is
computing center.
Exactly. This is then
And,
transmitted from all the experiments
Exactly,
into the
from the
computing
center of the detectors that we are seeing right now to the counting rooms of the detectors of the experiments, and then to the CERN data center, and from there to the world through the LHC computing grid.
Yes, and of course all the data, we can't handle this all at the same time, so at each of these stages we actually look at the data, see what's interesting or not, and only pass on the interesting data to the next level. And this is the way that we reduce the data and then make copies of it as well, and send this out to all these different places.
And this is happening right now.
And this is happening
right here, right now. We're good for 3 more years of data taking at the LHC. And finally, we have the Director General, Fabiola Gianotti, ready for her statement on the beginning of Run 3.
It's a magic moment now, here at this moment in the CERN Control Center. We just had collisions at an unprecedented energy, 13.6 tera electron volt. And this opens a new era of exploration at CERN, a new chapter. Run 3 of the Large Hadron Collider will give us collisions at higher energy than before, and also an amount of data equivalent to the total amount of data recorded in the previous 2 runs. And this, of course, will increase our opportunities for discovery or for understanding the fundamental laws of the universe. C'est un moment magnifique au CERN. On est dans la salle de contrôle du CERN. On a juste eu maintenant des collisions à 13,6 téraélectronvolts, TEV. C'est une énergie sans précédent et c'est le début du Run 3 du LHC qui ouvre un nouveau chapitre dans l'histoire du CERN. Plus d'énergie, plus de collisions et donc plus de possibilités de découvrir de la nouvelle physique, ou au moins de pouvoir affronter les questions ouvertes en physique fondamentale. Siamo nella sala di controllo del CERN, abbiamo appena visto collisioni a energie senza precedenti, 13,6 teraelectronvolt. È un nuovo capitolo che si apre nella storia del CERN, il terzo run, il terzo periodo di presa dati di LHC, e